students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I'm Sharon Stanley, Assistant Professor, PG Department of English, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. Hello students, this is second lecture on the topic Kanchana Sita. Now let's discuss the plot summary of the film Kanchana Sita. The film Kanchana Sita by G. Aravindan begins with the journey of Rama and Lakshmana to kill Shambhuga the Shudra who performs penance. But Shambhuga's wife pleads for his life and he is spared. Later, Rama and Lakshmana return to Ayodhya to face Urmila, the spirited wife of Lakshmana. Rama replies to her criticism for abandoning Sita in the Dandakaranya forest through which they have just journeyed. Rama replies, the husband of Sita is only a servant of the people of Ayodhya. Later, we see in the next day, Vasishtha arrives to suggest to perform the Ashwamedha Yaga. The Ashwamedha Yaga, the ritual sacrifice of a horse to Agni, the god of fire. But Rama cannot do without his wife by his side. He is averse to taking a second wife, as Vasishtha further suggests. The anguish of Rama at this point is juxtaposed with the people of Ayodhya joyously celebrating the harvest. The ensuing scene shows Bharata, brother of Rama, who had left Ayodhya 12 years ago, returns. He objects to Rama performing the yaga without Sita. Their argument almost culminates in a physical fight. But nature intervenes. The skies open and a cooling rain pours down upon them. Later, the yaga begins with Lakshmana accompanying the horse. In the next scene, the horse strays into Valmiki's ashram where Rama's children, Lava and Kusha, are being brought up. Lava stops the horse and is ready to fight Lakshmana. Lakshmana orders the horse be released. But once again, nature takes a hand. Valmiki is strangely moved by what he sees and he begins to compose the Uttara Ramacharita, the story of Rama. In the following scene, we see the horse is led back to Ayodhya and the ritualistic second stage of the yaga starts. Just then, Rama receives the news that Shambhuga has resumed his penance and Lakshmana is dispatched to slay the Shudra. As the ceremony nears completion, Valmiki arrives with Lava and Kusha. But Vasishtha debars Valmiki from entering the Yagashala. There, Rama recognizes Lava and Kusha as his sons and takes them to his heart. Here, the joy of Sita is represented in the glorious splendor of nature. The film ends with an epilogue depicting Rama's last journey, the Mahaprasthana, as he walks into the river with fire in his hand and becomes one with Sita, the all-pervading nature. I hope you understand the plot summary. Next, the theme. The theme of the film Kanchana Sita is the philosophical concept of Prakriti Purusha. The inner essence of the film is woman is Prakriti. Ultimately, Purusha, here conceived of as a masculine self, dissolves into Prakriti. Eഴുത്തച്ഛൻ's Adhyatma Ramayana, one of the first Malayalam poems, also reviews Rama as Purusha and Sita as Prakriti. Here, in this film, G. Aravindan took the extraordinary cinematic step of representing Sita as Prakriti. Let's move on to the next section, the significance of the title. The title Kanchana Sita alludes to the golden image of Sita that Rama sits by his side while he performs the Ashwamedha Yaga. The Yaga, a symbol of imperial power, requires that the king who performs it be accompanied by his wife. Since Rama had abandoned Sita 12 years earlier, Vasishta advises that he place a golden image of Sita at his side. Now let's discuss the characterization. The film significantly differs from all other adaptations of Ramayana in the characterization of the central characters, including Rama and Lakshmana. The characters are humanized. The film was shot in the interior tribal areas of Andhra Pradesh. The roles of the epic heroes are played by Ramachenju tribal people who claim lineage to the mythological Rama. Aravindan deliberately did not give a superhuman quality to Rama and Lakshmana. Only when they interact with nature do they rise to the levels of God and go beyond the ordinary. Dear students, I hope you understand this lecture. And here is a previous year university question. Discuss the recreation of the epic characters in G. Aravindan's Kanchana Sita. Dear students, please write this as your assignment. Thank you.